Hi everyone, Tom Kofer with OnPoint Consulting. Today we are extremely excited to be sharing individual recording learning sessions from a very highly successful free OnPoint Sage CRE web conference that we recently presented to Sage 300 users all over the country. We had 10 great sessions that lasted 2 days that were extremely well attended, and wanted to pass those on to you as part of OnPoint's continuing ongoing commitment to you, our Sage 300 users. This particular session that I'm introducing is on Sage 300 CRE tips and tricks, best practices, and really it focuses on learning the secrets of the pros that use Sage 300 CRE every day, and just how to make your day a little more efficient, how to speed up processes, and address those learning gaps that many of us have from really learning the Sage 300 software from our fellow workers or never having been trained. We're able to do this really because of our deep pool of very experienced senior Sage 300 consultants, trainers, software developers, and custom report developers. We have a lot of deep resources that we can rely on, and we want to make those available to you for sure. In addition to our support, training, and consulting services, we also provide Sage 300 CRE customers with processes that we call optimization and business process reviews. And those are designed to help determine if your Sage software can be extended and you can continue to use it for the near to long-term future, or if it should be replaced. We've helped hundreds of Sage 300 CRE customers over the past 30 years, and we're really here to help you gain the maximum use of your software and extend the life of your investment. We are here to help you. If you find this video helpful, please like us or share with anyone on Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can also find us at onpoint-software.com. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy the sessions with our compliments, and please stay well, friends.